Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax in Sarasota, and today I'm standing on board one of the best opportunities I've had the pleasure to be a part of since I've been here. This is our 2017 Azimut 50 Flybridge. There's something about stepping on this class of boat that lets you know you're no longer in the sport yacht territory. You've stepped up. It's the next class, the next size, however you want to call it. It's an indistinguishable feeling that tells you you're on board something a little bit different. And that's what this is. Whether we're starting at the very rear with a hydraulic swim platform in the back, capable of a small tender, a jet ski, and more, or you see immediately the polished stainless stanchions that hold an incredibly large flybridge for its class size above your head, or the teak finish work. There's just something about this boat that you feel when you walk on. Not the least of which, as we step inside, Azimut's got their beautiful white oak flooring, but it's complemented by this dark color that just gives you a feeling of luxury and comfort when you walk in. Of course, the loungers everywhere. The cushion work is top notch. This chaise lounge is a phenomenal spot to spend the day, and even with the door open, a beautiful breeze wherever you may be. Some of the parts that Azimut puts in on board, including a Sonos sound system on top of the hidden TV. Just a few extra nice pieces that give you an easier time connecting and a better experience. This particular 50 has a beautiful folding dinette area. It's raised, a great place to spend the day next to the captain, and of course, with a lower helm, even on poor days, this boat can still make its way, whether it's a crossing or you're headed from here in Sarasota down to Naples, or even headed to the Keys. This boat will take care of you on the worst of days. With Raymarine's gold package in this boat, autopilot, and everything you need to see and keep track of the ultra reliable and phenomenal Volvo D11 power. But when you arrive at your destination, this is where this boat becomes even more alive. The beauty of a down galley is not only the space above your head, but the opportunity in a smaller boat to do things like a full-size refrigerator. All the comforts of home, and of course, the quality with Miele appliances. This is a beautiful place to spend time, whether you're entertaining guests or just putting together coffee to catch the sunrise on the hook, perhaps in the British Virgin Islands, or anywhere your heart desires. The accommodations, too, are absolutely wonderful. From your twin beds, whether that's for the captain and crew, or just for the grandchildren and the extra guests. Of course, an expansive VIP suite. Closets on both sides, its own private access to the day head, and really a mattress that's a little bit nicer than most in its class. Of course, this is an Azimut, so the captain's quarters come last. This full beam master is just one of my favorites in this size. With a beautiful queen bed, a makeup area for the ladies, and a full ceiling to the floor closet, this offers something more. It is simply more. It wraps you in a feeling that you can relax, that you can be peaceful, you can shut out the world. Can it be an office? Sure. But that's not what this is about. This is for escaping, shutting off your cell phone, and getting away, maybe with your favorite person. So this completes our tour on both the cabin and the galley. To see one last piece of this boat, we're going to climb to the very top and examine some of the views that you get with a 50 flybridge. Of course, steps rather than a ladder, beautiful teak work, mean anyone in your your crew will have no problem reaching the top. And with a view like this, you don't want to miss this. Incredible loungers, the continuation of your Raymarine Gold package, and of course, Azimut's joystick steering, as well as digital controls from Volvo. The joystick will control your stern and your bow thrusters, as well as all your engine shifting and throttles. Really, even in a breeze like this, it truthfully makes docking this boat a joy. And in the very back of the boat, you have expansive room, whether for more loungers or actually the ability to put small toys on the top deck and just give you more room to play and more options for wherever you go. This is our incredible opportunity. This is a 2017, never titled, full factory warranty, Azimut 50 Fly. Folks, it's incredible. I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax in Sarasota. If I can help you achieve this view, I'd love the opportunity.